That is, small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Now this can be written as capital X is equal to small x minus h and capital Y is equal to small y minus k. These are the original transformed coordinates and these are the original equation coordinates of when the origin is shifted. So okay. Now we go to the some examples about this concept. Example number 1. Find the coordinates of the point minus 2 comma 4 in the new system when the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5. That means here the original coordinates small x comma small y. Here the original coordinates x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 4 and the origin is shifted to the point, that is h comma k is equal to 4 comma minus 5. Now the new coordinates are capital X is equal to small x is equal to capital X plus h. Then the new coordinates are capital X is equal to x minus h. That is called where x is equal to minus 2 minus h means 4. That is equal to minus 6. And capital Y is equal to small y minus k. That is equal to small y means 4 minus k means minus 5. So minus of minus plus 5 plus 4 is 9. So therefore the new coordinates are capital X comma capital Y, that is equal to minus 6 comma 9. These are the new coordinates of the given point minus 2 comma 4 when the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5. Okay. Then we go to the second example. If 4 comma minus 3 are the coordinates of P in the new system when the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3, find the original coordinates of P. That means 4 comma minus 3 are the coordinates of P in new system. That means these points are in the new system. That means they are capital X and capital Y. And the origin is shifted to the point 2 comma 3. That means 2 comma 3 is the new origin, that is h comma k. And find the original coordinates. That means we want to find the original coordinates, that is small x and small y. So here we write capital X comma capital Y as 4 comma minus 3 and h comma k new origin is 2 comma 3. Now the original coordinates small x is equal to capital X plus h. So that is called capital X means 4 plus h means 2, that is equal to 6, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, that is equal to capital Y means minus 3 plus h means 3 is equal to 0. Therefore the original coordinates of P x comma y is equal to 6 comma 0. This is finding the origin. This is the finding the original coordinates of P. Procedure for finding original coordinates of P. Okay. Then exercise 2.1 SAQs. That means short answer questions. First question, first bit. Find the transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 when the origin is shifted to the point minus 1 comma 2. That means here the origin is shifted to the point. That means this is a new origin h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma 2. The given equation is in the original form. Find the transformed equation when the origin is shifted to. That means this is the original equation f of x comma y is equal to 0. That implies f of x comma y means x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then its transformed equation is f of capital X plus h comma capital Y plus k is equal to 0. That means x is replaced by capital X plus h, where h means minus 1. So that implies the transformed equation is capital X minus 1. H means, where h means minus 1. So or otherwise we can write this one as f of h minus 1 comma capital Y plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is capital X minus 1 whole square plus capital Y plus 2 whole square plus 2 into capital X minus 1 minus 4 into capital Y plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the transformed equation. When we are expanding this one, a minus b whole square, that is x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 plus 4x 4y plus 2 into capital X minus 2 minus 4 into capital Y minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as capital X square plus capital Y square minus 2x plus 2x is cancelled. Then capital 4y and minus 4y is also cancelled. Now this is plus 5. Plus 5 plus 1 is plus 6 minus 10. That means minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is the transformed equation. Okay. This is the transformed equation. Here we observe that given original equation is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the general form of second degree equation in x. When the origin is shifted to the another point, the transformed equation is only x square plus y square is equal to 4. There is no first degree term in this expansion. In this equation, there is no first degree term. That means the first degree terms x and y are eliminated from this equation. That is the use of shifting the origin. What is the use of shifting the origin? That means if we want to remove the first degree terms from the given equation, we apply origin is shifted, shifting the origin. That means the translation of, what is the use of translation of axis means to eliminate first degree terms from the given equation. That is the use of translation of axis. So okay, this is the transformed equation.